Gusto mo bang malaman kung paano kumita ng 20 to 80,000 pesos per month working at the comfort of your home in just 2 to 3 hours per day? Pwede ba yan? Kung gusto niyo malaman, panoorin nyo ito.
Videos that will make you wealthy and debt-free.
Hi there, this is Ching Kitaan, also known as Mr. Ching Positive. Maraming salamat po for tuning in to this channel. If you haven't subscribed, please do click subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell button. Pag may mga bagong videos, mapapanood nyo po agad. Okay, I just want you to pause for a moment and picture this. Lunes na Lunes, di ba? Gumising ka, di ba? Paggising mo na more or less ng mga 8:15, di ba? Nakangiti ka. Then pumunta ka sa kitchen mo or let's say sa favorite mong sala at nagtimpla ka ng paborito mong kape na dalgona with Milo. Oo. After that, pumunta po kayo sa terrace, di ba? Kung may terrace ba? At tumingin kayo sa paborito nyong tanawin sa labas. Malinis. Pagkatapos yan, yung mga ibon, di ba? Humuhuni. At yung kalye naman nakikita mong mga katrabaho mo, nagmamadali naman at nagkakaripas naman sila na pumasok sa trabaho while ikaw naman ay nasa bahay ka lang. Yung pakuya-kuya ko, yung uupo-upo ka lang, tapos ang nilalagay mo yung kape mo at nagbabasa ka ng ng libro or let's say ng balita or let's say ng nanonood ka ng YouTube video ko. At habang nagbabasa ka at let's say ni-enjoy mo yung sarili mo, naisip mo na kung paano na bago ang buhay mo, na dati gigising ka sa umaga at nagmamadali ka at nakipagsiksikan ka sa bus dahil ayaw mo lang malate at ngayon naman, hindi na nangyayari sa iyo ang ganitong sitwasyon. Wow! At imagine mo, ito pa, imagine mo, nagpapasalamat ka na kay Lord dahil kumikita ka na ng pera habang nasa bahay ka lang. Di ba? Ang sarap pakinggan. Pero Chinky, mukhang imposible naman yan. Ay, not at all my friend. As you all know, ito lang po, atin-atin lang to. Ako po ay isang tinatawag na homepreneur for 8 years already. Ha? Ano ba itong homepreneur na ito? Ang ibig sabihin po ng homepreneur, ikaw ay nasa bahay, pero ikaw ay isang entrepreneur. Ikaw ay nasa bahay, pero ikaw kumikita habang nasa bahay ka. I'm running my business at home. Lumalabas lang ako. Dati po, nung bago ng pandemic na ito, kung may mga speaking engagement at sa radio at TV show ko, at minsan naman sumasama pa si Mrs. sa grocery. The reality is this, I have over 40 people who's working for me right now na talaga naka-work from home din. Kasi nga, na-set up ko na itong system ng work from home for over 8 years already and I grew my business. Bakit ko ito ginawa? Very simple lang po, because of traffic, di ba? Hindi na po makatarungan po ang traffic situation dito sa Maynila. More or less around 4 hours of traffic every day, tapos wala pa yung waiting hours of at least 1 hour, 30 minutes. So mga 5 hours a day times 20 days, that's 100 hours traveling time per month divided by 24, that's 4 days in a month, times 12, that's 48 days in a year, 1.5 month nagka-travel ka. Sinabi ko, hindi na to makatarungan. Sa totoo lang, sa sobrang traffic nga, nung minsan nga, nagpagupit ako. Pag uwi ko, humaba na ulit ang buhok ko. Sinabi ng misis ko, nagpagupit ka ba? Hindi, humaba na dahil sa traffic. Pero ito lang po, ang dami kong talagang naging benefits po by working from home. Right now po, titignan po natin, ano po yung mga benepisyo kung ikaw ay nagwo-work from home. Number 1, nagtatrabaho ka, imagine mo na wala kang uniform or else nakapajama ka lang or nakashort ka lang. At number 2, ang kagandahan niyan, you are able to sustain the needs of your family. You're earning decent income. And then number 3, hindi ka, walang travel stress. Tama, hindi ka nata-traffic. At hindi mo ba alam na mas productive ka rin? You're more productive nowadays. Why productive? Imagine mo kasi ngayon nakaka 4 or 5 meetings ka in a day. Dati 2 lang. Kasi dati napupunta nga sa travel time. From one place to the other, you will have to travel 1 hour or 2 hours just to meet a person. Pero right now, you can meet someone in Manila, you can meet someone in Cebu, Bacolod, and the same day din, you can meet someone in Hong Kong, in China, kasi through Zoom na lang po, internet na lang po. And itong pinaka-best, para sa akin, alam mo, pinaka-benefit talaga ng work from home because you have more time with your family. Would you agree? Diba? That is why today, I have a good news for you. Ano pong pinakamagandang balita? I'm going to show you and teach you on how to become a homepreneur. Okay. Ano ulit ang homepreneur? These are again people who are working from home and have the possibility to earn 5 to 6 digit income per month. mga 20 to 80,000 pesos. FYI, one of my staff lang po na work from home po siya. Nag-start po siya sa akin ng mga 7,500 pesos per month. Kasi part-time lang. Pero right now, ay kumikita na siya. Yung last check po niya sa akin na matatanggap niya because of all of his work, nasa 40,000. Yung isa rin po, graphic artist ko, regular niya nasa 10,000 pesos per month, regular. Pero because of mga marami siyang projects na nakuha ngayon, ang sweldo po niya, kikita po siya ng 50,000 pesos per month. Ito po ay work from home lang. Pero this is the sad truth. There are people who are selling online and selling their services online. Pero ano po nangyayari? Hindi po talaga nagwo-work. Thank you very much for watching and joining this Chinkitan saying, to every problem, there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Always think positive.
Congratulations kay Chinkitan. 500K. Wow. Gawin natin yan times 5. Yan ang gawin mong goal. Kaya dapat marami pa mag-subscribe kay Chinkitan. Click, subscribe.
Thank you for watching. If you want to keep on growing and to stay inspired, subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified. Always think positive.